So in many of my videos for DSMTOOL course, I have shown you AliExpress. And sometimes eBay does not like third-party drop shipping, so I love AliExpress. That's what I'm going to use. However, if you are more comfortable using a direct supplier, look in the description. I'm going to put this link in the description, or just type this in. But DSMTOOL has, in their Dropship Academy, has shown you many ways that you can partner. They've done a lot of work to get to this point, but they've shown you a lot of ways that you can get actual direct suppliers for your store. So go to the link. You can watch any of these videos on how to get linked in or get in contact with direct suppliers that DSMTOOL has worked with and worked hard to get these suppliers. So there's a lot that you can do and a lot that you can watch on the academy here to learn how to get those suppliers and have a direct supply of items, of products for your store on eBay. But this will help you avoid any kind of other kind of problems that may exist with your eBay store. Okay, so selecting a credit card or debit card for your payments for your dropshipping business, make sure number one, you are able to pay it off. Okay, so, and then you want to apply. So there's so many choices out there. I'm just going to tell you two. I have different credit cards. I get different points based on where I shop. But these two out of probably 15 to 20 credit cards I've had in my life are my favorite. I've had Discover for years, probably over 15 years. And I just love how they take care of my account. I love the cashback bonus that's available. So here's huge. So this is actually what I have right now on my account. And what they do is they run all year long a 5% cashback bonus. So now through March, it says I'm earning 5% on grocery stores, Walgreens, and CVS. And that changes. As you can see, April through June, I'm going to get 5% on gas stations, Uber, Lyft, wholesale clubs, etc. And all you have to do is come in and click activate, and I'll get 5% on those services. And so you can see the different ways to redeem is you can get cash, pay your credit card off, get gift cards. And most of the time I do gift cards because it increases your percentage back by 5 or 10%. So I can get a $50 gift card for $45. So that's an increase of 10%, because if I got a $100 gift card, it would only be $90 worth of my cash back. I get these gift cards all the time. There's not like an unlimited amount of gift cards that you can pick from, but enough that I make $10 for every $100 cash back points that I get. The other card that I like is the Southwest card. They run this special a couple times a year where you can earn 40,000 points. That's like 1 or 2 plane tickets depending where you're going, just by applying and spending a certain amount in a month. So I have 110,000 points on my Southwest card, and these are the ways that you can redeem your points. There's various ways. It's not just travel, but if you like to travel, it really helps. So if I go down here, you can see there's all sorts of travel related things, but you can also buy products. There's usually a deal that you can redeem for. And often, like, my thing is gift cards. So let's just say I go to Amazon. That's unchecked, Texas Roadhouse. And I can get, for 5,000 points, a $50 gift card. So I have, 100,000 points, which is approximately like 200. So it would be about $1,000 worth of Amazon gift cards that I could get right now. So if you're drop shipping from Amazon, then that's free money that you can drop ship from. Or let's just say, let's look at Walmart. So same thing, 5,000 points, I could get Walmart gift cards. So I have about $1,000 worth of gift cards just from using my credit cards wisely. And if you use that credit card for drop shipping, you can put it into your PayPal account, wherever it is, and you get points. So Amazon has a credit card that I use. I get points on the Amazon card as well. So if you're going to buy on Amazon, get an Amazon credit card. Every time you purchase something, you get 5% back. Like I just bought like my kids a popcorn maker with most of my, or actually I just spent all my points, and then just recently I bought some more things, so I got 35 more points already. So that's 5% of the sales that you would make through drop shipping or even your purchases. So just 3 credit cards that I'm just talking about. Make sure, you know, if you don't mind, go on to my friend referral link in the description, but find something that gives you good points. These are reputable credit cards that I have used and cashed in constantly. I really like them. I've used them for all 3 of them. Discover over 15 years, Southwest probably over 10, and recently I just signed up for the Amazon about 2 years ago, and I really love it.